Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to add liquidity and remove liquidity from from TST liquidity pool on Mooniswap exchange. All right, so in this video I'm going to do this with screenshots because I have a lot of messages coming in and interrupting. If you saw my first video, you would notice that I had a lot of messages coming in. A lot of people were interested in being liquidity providers. So, based on that, okay, I decided to use screenshots only so that you guys can understand me clearly and I can get straight to the point without network interference. Given the fact that Mooniswap is not really the fastest compared to Uniswap, it's still new, but I believe it will improve with time. All right, so unlike Uniswap, Mooniswap does not show you the liquidity provider fee. Okay, so that way you don't get to know how much fee is going to the liquidity providers, whether you are buying TST or selling TST. So in this case, you are selling. In this case, selling TST, it does not show. It only shows the amount the minimum you can receive and the price impact, but it doesn't show the amount that goes to liquidity providers. Okay, sorry about that. Same as when you want to sell or when you want to buy. Sorry, the first is selling, now is buying. All right, so even when you want to buy, it does not show you how much that goes to liquidity providers. Okay, but we all know that it's still the same 0.3%. Okay, same 0.3%. All right, so having said that, let's dive straight in. Okay, let's dive straight into liquidity section. So if you click on the pool section at the top, it's going to bring out this page. Now if you do not have any liquidity, you do not create any liquidity pool, or you don't have any liquidity pool like you're seeing here, you can click on import. By importing, you either using the custom, what's it called, the custom token address. Okay, you're using the token address of TST to import the liquidity pool, and then you now put in the amount you want to stake. All right, so if you click on import it, all right, if you click on import it, it's going to show you it's going to show you it's going to show you Ether. Then it's going to show you an option to add the token you want to you want to create the pair or the liquidity pool that you want to stake on. Okay, so in that way you use the, if you have not added TST to your trust wallet, to your Mooniswap to the Mooniswap exchange, then you do that with the contract address or the token address of TST, not your wallet address. I'm talking about the token address of TST. So when you do that, you then provide the amount in Ether, then it will not tell you how much in TST you are going to stake. All right, so when you do that, it's probably going to need an approval before you now add. So in this case now, I've already invested in the liquidity pool of TST, and you can see here that when you what it says, okay, when you add liquidity, you are given pool tokens that represent your share. I've already showed you guys in the first video I did about this, my own pool share. If you don't see a pool, you join in this list. Try importing a pool below by clicking import it. All right. So if I expand the liquidity pool or the liquidity I provided, you find out that I have a pooled Ether of 0.0795149, and I have about 950,327 TST. Okay, 950,327 TST in the liquidity pool. Okay, and the pool tokens given to me to represent my shares is 119,200 Mooniswap token. All right, So you can see that I am the only liquidity provider in Mooniswap because it's new. We just got it recently. Okay. So I just made the announcement today, which I'm going to do officially on my YouTube channel later on today or tomorrow. Okay. So if I click add token, so if I click add, what it means is that I want to add liquidity. So in this case, I'm going to impute the amount in Ether I want to invest. Okay, then it will now tell me the amount in TST it will also need. Okay, because what it does, it's 50-50. Okay, so 50% Ether and 50% TST. All right, let me say it again: 50% Ether and 50% TST. So when you choose the amount in Ether you want to stake, it will then tell you the amount in TST to stake. So when you do that, when you finish entering the amount, then you now click supply. All right, after entering the amount, so what I have here in my wallet is 0.008 Ether. So I put in the amount as a test. I didn't go ahead with the transaction just to show you guys. Okay, so by adding this amount 0.008, what it means is that I will need about 95,612.5 TST to supply to provide liquidity. Okay, so what it means is that I will have, by providing this liquidity, I will have 9.14% out of the 100%. But it's still the same account that is providing liquidity. It's all part of the 100. It will also show as 100%. It's only when somebody else provides liquidity that it will now reduce the amount of percentage that I have. Okay, like I showed you guys here, I have 100%. So if somebody else stakes and has a percentage of the liquidity pool, so what it means, okay, what it means actually means is that the person will have a portion, okay, or have a share. So if the person stakes more than what I already staked, that means the person will have a higher percentage. If the person stakes lower than what I staked, it means the person will have a lower percentage as pool share. All right. So this is about adding liquidity to the TST liquidity pool on Mooniswap. Now let's talk about removing liquidity. Okay, so let's read this right up here. It says when you add liquidity, you are given pool tokens representing your position. These tokens automatically earn fees proportional to your share of the pool and can be redeemed at any time. Okay, you can redeem it at any time. All right. So what am I saying here? So this is what I said before. Okay, that if you provide liquidity, you'll be given pool share tokens, which is Mooniswap tokens. Then when you want to withdraw, you can decide to redeem at any time. So let's look at the removal. So it's still the same thing with Uniswap. You can remove 25%, 10%, 50%, 75%, or you can remove every liquidity that you provided. Okay, but I won't ask you to remove every liquidity that you provided, because by removing liquidity, all right, you are also hampering how much you can make. So this is more like you're having a pipeline and every day you're milking oil. All right, you're generating oil. Okay, so if you want this to be a lifelong generator of income for you, then you have to consider only withdrawing a percentage from time to time, okay, so that you can be able to have something coming. The moment you withdraw everything, that means you earn nothing from the liquidity pool of TST, okay, on Mooniswap. So guys, that's how it works. Okay, sorry that I had to use screenshots for this. This wasn't as smooth as Uniswap. Okay, so I had to do like 2 trials before I decided to use screenshots. Okay, all right guys, that's it for this video. All right, this is Mooniswap, the latest exchange for trading TST. Until I see you guys next time, take care. and bye for now. Also, if you are interested in becoming a liquidity provider in Uniswap or in Mooniswap, all you have to do is contact me and I will guide you. So till then, take care. Bye for now.